everyone, welcome to the session. So in this class we are going to discuss some previous year questions from algebra. Alright, let's begin. Okay, so my name is Aishwarya. I have done my masters in maths from University of Delhi. Prior to that I did my graduation from Miranda House. I've been training students for various management entrances like CAT, GRE and GMAT since past 4 years now. Alright, hi Siddhant, welcome to the session. Alright. Okay, so let us discuss what are the benefits of taking the Unacademy Plus subscription. So if you go for the Unacademy Plus subscription, you get all these benefits. You have classes from the top educators of India. All the classes that happen on the platform are live classes. You can download the PDFs after the end of each and every lecture. You have access to the live mock test and quizzes that happen on the platform. Okay. Yes. Hi Nipur. Hi Kabya. Welcome to the session, guys. Hi Mansi. Okay, so if you go for the CAT subscription plus subscription, the price for 2 years is 32,800 and for 1 year the price is 22,550. Okay, now you can use my code AAISH10 to get 10% off the course fee for both the subscriptions, Plus and Iconic. Okay, alright, so in this session we are going to discuss some previous year CAT questions. So here is the first question for all of you. Please read the question and try to solve it. Okay, it is given that m and n are positive integers. This is a quadratic equation, x square plus mx plus 2n is 0 and x square plus 2nx plus m is 0 and they have real roots. Then find the smallest possible value of m plus n. Please try it, everyone. I hope the question is clear. Yes, Siddhant, Nupur, Kabya, Mansi, I hope you guys are solving the question. Five. Okay. All right, let's see. Okay, so let us discuss this question. So we have this. This is a quadratic equation, x square plus mx plus 2n is equal to 0. Okay, now this equation has real roots. When does a quadratic equation has real roots? Can you answer? What is the condition of real roots? If an equation has real roots, it means that discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Yes, Madhu, this has started. Correct. Okay. So this should be greater than equal to 0. So let us find this here. What do you get? M square minus 8n. The value of discriminant is m square minus 8n. This should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, we have this. Now another quadratic equation I have is this. X square plus 2nx plus m is equal to 0. Okay, now what is the discriminant here? In this case, the discriminant is b square, that is 4n square, minus 4ac, 4m is greater than or equal to 0. So from here you get n square is greater than or equal to m. Okay. Alright, now I have two inequalities, 1 and 2. Can I do something with these two inequalities? What should be my next step? Please think about it, all of you. Yes, Kabya, Madhur, Mansi, Nupur, Siddhant. Think about it and answer. See, in the first inequality, you have a term m is square. In the second inequality, you have a m. So if I square both sides, okay, I will get a m square in the second inequality also. So squaring both sides, I can write n raised to the power 4 is greater than equal to m square. Right? Can I write this? Is this a step clear, everyone? All of you, please confirm if this step is clear. And from the first inequality, I can write m square is greater than equal to 8n. So finally, I have n raised to the power 4 is greater than or equal to m square is greater than equal to 8n. Okay. Now, in the question, it is given that m and n are positive integers. Okay. So what is the smallest possible value you can take for n? Think about it. What can be the smallest possible value of n here? Yes, Madhu, what is the answer? What do you get? Smallest positive integer n है. So n का क्या minimum value हम ले सकते हैं? Please answer. See, n is the smallest positive integer. So it can be 1. The smallest positive integer is 1. Let's see what happens when I take n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, I get 1 is less than m square. 1 is greater than equal to m square is greater than equal to 8. So is this possible? Yes. Is this possible? Not possible, right? So I have to take some other value of n. So therefore, I am going to take n as 2, another positive integer. Okay, so if n is 2, I get this is 16 and this will be m square and this will be 8 into 2, that is 16. So this inequality is possible. This is true, right? So the minimum value of n is equal to 2. Okay, so smallest value of n that we get is 2. Can you tell me what will be the smallest value of m? If n is 2, what is the smallest value of m? Think about it. Yes, what is the value of m? If n is 2, think about it. You can substitute here. Okay, so from the first inequality, you can write, we know that m square is greater than 8n. And n is 2, minimum value of n is 2. So this you will get m square is greater than 16. So what is the minimum value of m that you should take? Now please answer guys quickly. M का value minimum क्या हो सकता है? Yes, Kabya, Madhu, Nupur, Mansi, Siddhant. It will be equal to 4, right? So minimum value of m is 4. Hence, the minimum value of n plus n is 6. Option 4 is the right answer to the question. Okay, I hope this question is clear, everyone. Please confirm, all of you, if this question is clear. Done? Should we move on to the next question? Yes, okay. Great. M plus n is 6. Alright, let's do the next one. Okay. So for the real x, find the maximum possible value of x upon under root 1 plus x raised to the power 4. Okay. You have to find the maximum value of this expression. Yes, Kabi, you're asking, I should repeat? Okay, let's see. Alright, see, you have two quadratic equations which have real roots. And when do two different quadratic equations have real roots? When their discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. So I just found their discriminant and put the discriminants greater than 0. Okay, you get the relationship between m and n. Okay, now this is the final relationship I have between m and n. Okay, now m and n are positive integer and I have to look for the smallest value. So I take the minimum value of n, that is 1, but it is not satisfying this inequality. So I took the next integer, that is 2, which satisfies the inequality. Okay, so smallest value of n will be 2. Likewise, if n is 2, put in any of these two equations and get the value of n. You get 4, so m plus n is 6. Okay. Yes, I hope it is clear now. Kabya, please try this one, all of you. Find the maximum value. You have to look for the maximum value. Okay, so I am giving you 1.5 minutes for it. Think about it and try. C. Okay. All right, Anuj is getting C. Fine. Everyone, please type in your answers. C. Okay. Kashish also C. Any other answer, guys? Let us discuss. See, you have this x upon under root 1 plus x raised to the power 4. Okay, let us try to change this expression a bit into some other form. I am going to write it. Now this x, which is there in the numerator, I can bring it down to the denominator, right? So what do I have? 1 upon under root 1 plus x raised to the power 4 upon x square. Okay, so x when goes under the root, it will become x square. I hope this step is clear, all of you. Now next I can write it like this. Under root 1 upon x square plus x square. Okay, now we know this is the standard inequality. X plus 1 upon x is always greater than equal to 2. Okay, for any positive number x, x plus 1 upon x is a greater than or equal to 2. I hope this inequality is clear to everyone. Now I am going to use it here. Now since I have to find the maximum value of this expression, I will try to make the denominator minimum. Okay, so what is the minimum value of 1 upon x square plus x square? What is the minimum value of this expression? It will be equal to 2. So what is the maximum value of this expression? X upon under root 1 plus x raised to the power 4. It will be 1 upon root 2. So option 3 is the right answer. Yes, Kashish, Anuj, right answers. I hope this question is clear, all of you. Yes? Okay, alright. Let's move on. Next question. Okay. Please try this. So you have x and y are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means they can be equal to 0, such that x plus 9 is z. And another equation is y plus 1 is z. And x plus y is less than z plus 5. Find the maximum value of 2x plus y. Okay, you need to find this. Please try, everyone. Yes. Any answer yet? Okay. See, in this question, you have two equations, x and y, right? So from here, I can get the value of x and y. What do you get? X is equal to z minus 9. And from here, I can write y is equal to z minus 1. Okay, what is the value of x plus y? It was z minus 9 plus z minus 1 is less than z plus 5, right? I get this from here. Now solving this further, I can write that 2z minus 10 is less than z plus 5. Solving this further, I can write z. 2z minus z will be z, so z is less than 15. Okay, I get that z is less than 15. Now can you tell me, since I have to find the maximum value of this expression, okay, what is the maximum value of z? Please answer. What is the maximum value of z? Okay, Kashish, you're getting 27. Fine. Think about it and answer. What is the maximum value z can have? It will be an integer. Okay, because x and y are integers, so obviously z is an integer. 14. Correct, Aman. Maximum value of z that z can take is 14. Okay. Now, if z is equal to 14, what is the value of x? The maximum value of x, and what is the value of y if z is 14? Please answer. It is, put z as 14 here, 14 minus 9, 5. Put z as 14 here, 14 minus 1, it is 13. Okay, correct. Right, Aman. So what is the maximum value of this? 2x plus y means 2x plus y. What is it? 23. Okay, so 23 is the maximum possible value of 2x plus 5. Okay, I hope this question is clear, everyone. Yes, Kashish, is it clear? Anuj, Aman, clear? Kabya, Madhu, Mansi, Nupur, Siddhant, everyone. Clear? 23 is the correct answer. Great. Let's move on. Next question. Okay. So the smallest integer n which satisfies this inequality is. What is this inequality? N cube minus 11n square plus 32n minus 28 is greater than 0. So this is your inequality. Try to solve it and give me the minimum value of x. Minimum integral value of x, okay? Of n, sorry. Okay. So can you give me any value of n that satisfies this equation? Instead of this greater than sign, if I write an equal to sign, let us consider an equal to sign first and let us try to solve this. Okay, let us factorize this. What is the value of n that satisfies this equation? Find a value of n accordingly. Think about it. 2. Yes. Kashish, you're right. Let us take n as 2 and see if this is true or not. So 2 cube means 8 minus 11 into 2 square plus 32 into 2 minus 28. Okay, if you solve this, you get 0. So n is equal to 2 is satisfying. Okay, now let us solve this. I will write n minus 2 3 times here. Okay, and now we'll try to make the above equation. Okay, so let us multiply this thing by n square. What do you get? N cube minus 2n square. Now this is minus 11 and I already have minus 2. I just need minus 9n square more. So minus 9n here. So what do you get? Minus 9n square plus 18n. 32n is already there. 18n you have got. So what do you want? Plus 14. Okay, so this will give me plus 14n minus 28 is equal to 0. So completed. So what do I have? N minus 2 into n square minus 9n plus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, this is our this is how we factorize it. So this is one factor. Can you factorize this quadratic equation for me and tell me what will be the factors? Please solve and answer. Yes, Aman, Anuj, Kashish, Kabya, please answer this. All of you who are there in the session. Okay. So n minus 2 into n minus 2 into n minus 7. Okay. Alright. But we have that this thing is greater than 0. Okay. So we will have to consider the greater than 0 sign here. Okay. Let us change this. So therefore I have this. Okay. Now this is an inequality which is where the left hand side is greater than 0. So I have to plot it on the number line. Okay. So on the number line we just plot the factors 2 and 7. So now the number line is divided into 3 parts. Okay. So can you tell me a value of n which satisfies this inequality from this region? Let us take n as 0 and see whether it satisfies or not. If n is 0, do I get a positive value on the left hand side? Will it be true? Will this inequality be satisfied for n is equal to 0? You will have minus minus minus, which is less than 0, so not satisfied. Means for this part, this inequality is negative. Okay, the left hand side is negative. When n is 7, let us take n as 8. Let us take n as 8. What is this? Positive. This is also positive. This is also positive. Okay, so what do we have? This is positive. Now when n is between 2 and 7, please confirm, when n is between 2 and 7, what do you get? So what will be the minimum value of n for which this inequality is greater than 0? Negative. For n is equal to 8, you are positive. Let us take n as 5. Take n as 5 and find it out. If n is 5, this part will be positive. This is positive. And what is this part? This will be negative. So this won't be satisfied. So for this also, this will be negative. So the minimum value of n, the n lies between the interval 7 to infinity, right? 7 is not included because at 7 this is equal to 0. So therefore minimum value of n will be 8. 8 is the smallest integer for which this inequality is true. Okay, yes, Kashish, Aman, right answers. Anuj, is the question clear? Madhu, Kabya, Nupur, Mansi, I hope the question is clear. Siddhant, done? Alright, let's move on to the next question. Okay, try this one first. If the sum of squares of two numbers is 97, then which of the following cannot be their product? Think about it. Sum of squares of two numbers is 97. Which one of the following cannot be their product? Sum of the squares of two numbers 97. So you have two numbers. Okay, let us take the numbers as x and y. Okay, Sum of their squares means x square plus y square is equal to 97. We have to find which of the following cannot be the value of xy. Okay, xy is not equal to what? Okay, so we know that x plus y whole square is always greater than and equal to 0. Yes or no? Is this correct? Think about it, everyone. Is this correct or not? Yes, the square of any number is always greater than or equal to 0. So this is correct. Let us expand this. I can write x square plus y square plus 2xy is greater than equal to 0. Can I? Yes, I can write it like this. So from here I can write x square plus y square is greater than equal to minus 2xy. Okay, I have this. So from here we can also write that x square plus y square by 2 is greater than equal to minus xy. Okay, so we know that 97, x square plus y square is 97. So 97 by 2, it should be greater than minus xy. Okay, so what is the value of 97 by 2? All of you think about it. Please think about it. What is the value of 97 by 2 and which of the following options is not a possibility for the product? (48.5) correct. So 48.5 is greater than minus xy. Okay, now see, you have minus xy here. Okay, so does this minus sign, is this minus sign important here? Think about it. I have taken x plus y whole square here. Even if you take x minus y whole square, this won't change, right? If I take x minus whole square, so this will be minus, and on the right hand side it will become plus. So this is true for plus minus both. So plus xy should be less than 48.5. Okay. So therefore, which of the following options is not possible? Clearly option 3 is not possible. Okay, because 64 is not less than 48.5. So option 3 is the right answer. Yes, Sarthak, correct answer. Kashish, you also right answer. Great. I hope this question is clear, everyone. Yes, is it clear, all of you? Done? Let's move on. Next question. Yes, think about it. The number of distinct real roots of this equation. Different real roots of this equation you need to find. Just the number, not the exact roots. Okay? Start solving, all of you. Think about it. I hope the question is clear, all of you. Two. Okay. Let's see. So Aman, how have you tried this question? What approach have you used? Yes. Yes. Kavya, Sarthak, Kashish, Anuj. What are you getting as the answer? Siddhant, Madhu, all of you. Mansi. Okay, let us try this question. So you have this equation, and clearly this is a quadratic equation, right? This is a quadratic equation. Now this is a quadratic equation with respect to x plus 1 upon x. So I can take, let a is equal to x plus 1 upon x. So this equation is transformed to a square minus 3a plus 2 is equal to 0. Now how many roots, how many distinct real roots does this equation has? Find the discriminant. What is the discriminant here? B square means minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2. What is it? 9 minus 8, which is 1, which is greater than 0. So therefore there are going to be two distinct roots. Two distinct roots of this equation will be there. Okay, so answer will be two roots. That's it. Okay, I hope the question is clear, everyone. Is there any doubt in any of the questions we have discussed today? So all those students, I see that some of you have joined in between. So I request everyone to please go through the session once again, try to solve all the questions that we have discussed in today's session. Okay, so currently I have this module on algebra is going on. Okay, we have done 4 sessions of algebra before this. This is the 5th class of algebra. Before this, we have discussed quadratic equations, polynomials, and simple equations. Okay, in the next session, in the upcoming sessions, I am going to discuss about special equations in detail. We will also discuss about indices and surds in detail, and also inequalities and modulus. So these are the 3 topics that I am going to cover next week. Okay, so the classes happen at 4 p.m. from Monday to Friday on the same channel. Okay, so please join my session at 4 p.m. on Monday now. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Do you guys want me to repeat any question from here? All the questions that we have discussed, any doubt if you have, please ask. Hanji. All right. Okay, then let's move on. So this is about the CAT iconic subscription. So if you go for the iconic subscription, you will get one-on-one guidance from your educator. Okay, your complete plan of CAT preparation will be discussed with you by the educator. So you will get complete hand-holding for your preparation for CAT. Okay. Now, new batches starting on the Plus platform from 14th July, 17th July and 21st July. So these are the batches for your 21 preparation, this year's preparation. For next year also, 3 new batches are going to start, 10th, 17th and 21st. Okay. So please make sure that you use my code AAISH10 to go for the Unacademy Plus subscription so that you can start your preparations in these batches as soon as possible. Okay. All right. Now this is a good news for everyone that the prices have dropped for the iconic subscription. For 2 years, the new price is 59,999. For 1.8 years, 1.5 years, that is 18 months, the price is 28,550. Okay, but this is for the plus subscription. Earlier we just had plus subscription for 1 year and 2 years. Now we have for 1.5 years also. So you can opt for this one as well. Okay. Now 6 months of iconic subscription is also there. That is for 25,800. Also for all the engineering students, for all the students who will be sitting for placements this year or maybe next year, you can go for this combo offer as well, which includes your placements preparation as well as CAT preparations. Okay. Now this Sunday scholarship test will happen at 12 p.m. It will be for 60 minutes. 30 questions will be there. So this will be a good opportunity for you guys to practice also. So you can use my code AAISH10 to enroll for it and start your prep with us. Okay, now this is a new channel for all the IP Math students. Is there any IP Math student here? Any student who's preparing for IP Math? So all those students can join this Telegram group also YouTube channel also you can join. Crack management exams. Okay, so in this YouTube channel we will be taking classes for IP Math exclusively. Okay, so I take sessions at 9 p.m. every day on this channel, so you guys can join me there for the IP Math students. Now if you feel that there was something inappropriate in this video, you can share your feedback with us in the description of this video. Okay, to take the Unacademy subscription, you just have to install the Unacademy learning app and click on get subscription. Then you have to enter my code AAISH10. This will help you to get 10% off. Also, there are a lot of free mock tests on the platform. There are special classes on the platform which happen. So you will have access to these as well if you unlock them using my code. Now, this is the name of my Telegram channel, Unacademy_Aishwarya-Cat and IP Math. Okay, so you will get links of my YouTube sessions, special classes sessions, and as well as plus sessions from here. If you have any query regarding the subscription or about any question from Quants or LRDI, you can please send me your questions here. Okay. All of you, thank you so much for attending the session. I hope you guys liked it. Please like the video and share it with your friends also who are preparing for CAT or for IP Math. Okay, thank you guys. Keep practicing. Be